All right, hey, it's Dave here with the WEEDCAST. I got my friend over here.
Cousin Kenny.
Cousin Kenny from RoboKitty.
RoboKitty.
Right on. So we're gonna talk about this rolling machine here, this pre-roll machine here in a minute. Before we do that, big thanks to MJBizCon for having me here this year. It's been a great event so far. I got a social equity scholarship, so my entry was free this year. Awesome. Thank you, MJBizCon.
Mine was not free.
And they are not cheap also.
Not at all.
So when you get a free one, it's a big deal. So thank you so much for that. So on with this amazing device that caught my attention as I was walking by. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on over here?
This is the Roll Troll. It's a fully automated pre-roll machine. Ground flower goes in the top, auger fed down here. It gets tamped down at the crutch, tamped down twice. One machine operator is going to get you about 600 of these pre-rolls an hour. And this size. This is a half-gram size that we're running right now.
Right on, okay.
Half-gram pre-roll size, you want to show that?
That's very nice. It smells wonderful, and it hits really good, too.
Great smell.
It did hit pretty good, and I don't like pre-rolls. No. So if I was impressed by it, I like it. So.
That's high praise. No, it's nice even pull. There's no vibration anywhere on the machine, so it actually tamps it down, so you don't get that stratification when you're smoking.
Right. I wanted to see the tamping process. That's pretty cool.
So it tamps down and fills. It's also multiple sensors. So let's say that, for whatever reason, a paper doesn't go into one of these canisters, it gets to the fill, it won't, fill an empty space.
Okay, right on. So tell us what's going on over here on this end, Cousin Kenny.
Yeah, so we got our twister finish right here. Twists it off for you.
Okay.
And pulls it out, dumps it in the bucket.
I think my favorite part is watching the twister thing work.
Yeah, the twister's pretty nice. Many iterations of this. I'm a big fan personally of the grabber. I like when
and then you did say also that it will do 1 gram pre-rolls, but it's a little bit slower.
450, I mean, it needs more time for the auger to run to fill.
Okay, gotcha.
But yeah, and it does an additional tamping down, but yeah, it can do any size.
Okay.
It comes with these 2 carousels, so it comes with a half-gram and full gram pre-rolls. But we can also machine everything. We're all custom machined in Portland, Oregon.
So, okay. So if I bought this machine and then this little bracket here broke, is it going to cost me 20 grand to fix that bracket?
No, it's not going to cost you now. I guarantee you. Most of any of the parts that aren't in purple here, they're like parts you can pick up off the shelf.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Major retailer.
Okay, awesome. And if I did have a problem with it, could I call Robo?
Oh yeah, so the price of this comes with a year's worth of tech support.
Okay.
We also come out to your facility for a week and we'll train someone on how to use it.
Okay.
So you can be as good of an operator as this gentleman right here.
As good as this guy in a week?
As good as this guy.
Ooh, I don't know.
It's an easy machine to use. It's really intuitive.
He looks like he's really good at this.
Yeah.
He looks like he loves doing it.
I've made a lot of pre-rolls.
He's made quite a few. This machine has done thousands, right?
Has it?
Thousands. 50,000 yesterday.
Yeah.
15,000 yesterday?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know what the actual count was.
1,500 yesterday.
1,500 yesterday.
1,500, wow, nice. So what's the setup like this going to cost me?
This will be $82,000.
Oh,
$82,500.
that's not bad. I was expecting a lot higher number.
Show special. I mean, retail we do $92,500, but
what if
for you today, $82,500.
What if the WEEDCAST wanted to call in? Is there a discount code? Can they get like a 50% off discount code or something?
We'll honor the conference price.
Mention the WEEDCAST. There's a discount. If you want one of these, mention the WEEDCAST. There's a discount. Thank you, brother.
David Huggins, always looking out for the people. right? Always looking out for the people.
That's awesome. That's perfect. Right on, brother.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you need to tell us, or how people get in touch with you, for example?
Oh yeah, we're RoboKitty.
So if you subscribe, you'll already know that I'm doing it.
That's right. We'll do. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, sure. No worries. Thank you for taking some time talking to us.
Love the pink kicks.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, very nice.
That was actually my idea.
All coordinated.
Yeah. I wanted to wear the pink shoes. She wanted to coordinate.
Yeah. Good job. Good job.